So, you want to buy from PandaBuy, but you're not sure how. First, open up my spreadsheet. The link is in the description. Here are all the expert PandaBuy users on my spreadsheet actively using it as we speak. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will be one of them. Now click the sign up link at the top. It will take you here. Click sign up. Now fill in this section and add your general location. Mine is the United Kingdom. Now click this and you're officially in. Beautiful, isn't it? Now go back to my spreadsheet. Here's the fun part. Scroll through the hundreds of products and find what you like. I'm getting these Travis Dunks. Click the link and now you're on the product page. Here you can view your item. And what makes PandaBuy so great, you ask? Oh, you can see what the product is actually going to look like because it shows you people's previous orders. For example here, someone bought this product and this is exactly what they got. So don't worry about getting faulty items. Now select your size and colorways. Agree to the TOS and add to cart. Now click here. From here, you want to select the option that says Cart. Select your items in cart and then submit. Here, all you have to do is click Agree and Submit Order. Another great thing about PandaBuy is they use safe payment methods like card or PayPal. Once you have paid, here is what to expect. It will say this and then seller sent. Once PandaBuy has your order, it will say stored. Then to ship items from PandaBuy to your home address, do this. Select all your items. Submit. Here is the crazy part. Because you used my spreadsheet link, you will get 50% off your shipping. Don't worry, you can just thank me by dropping a like on this video. And that's it. Ship your order to your address and expect it in 2 weeks.